Dear YouTubers, welcome to the Veteran Shooters channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing about the shotguns, the similarities and the differences. First of all, these shotguns all are made in Baikal, Russia. This one is MP27 EM1C. This is the sporting model. So the sporting model is used for the clay shooting and for the trap shooting. The main feature is that it comes with the ported 29 inches of the barrel, single selective trigger and auto safety. The shotgun which I am showing you right now, this is IJ series made in USSR, IJ27E. So this is the ejector model with the 28 inches of the barrels and double triggers. Auto safety is also the same feature like the MP series. The wood engraving and the checkering, this is a main feature of these shotgun which make it more popular in Pakistan, and its metallurgy, balance and lightweight are few characteristics which make it unique in its category. The third shotgun which I'll be talking about is Baikal MP 155 auto loader shotgun. This is a very lightweight, balanced shotgun, comes with a 28 inches of the barrel and can be slightly modified as per the taste of the shooter. As I've done with it, I've made some little bit modification with the bolt handle. Also, I'm using high-vis magnetic front sight. So a very dependable and highly reliable all-rounder shotgun which can be used for hunting and also for the sports shooting. So dear viewers, you cannot go wrong with any type of the shotgun out of these three which you select as per your own style and requirement. This particular shotgun, as you can see, the year of manufacturing, it is printed on this part, the lug, and the other details like Baikal and the series like MP27E also printed on that. On the sides, you can see the emblem of the skeet, so making it very distinctively clear that this is a sporting model. So you can use it for the skeet shooting and trap shooting as per your own choosing. Again, the USSR model not very different from the MP27, like the same engravings and the model number. It is engraved, embedded in this location, which I am pointing right now. The double triggers and also the auto safety and the engravings which I was talking about. It is a very unique design on these shotgun, and all the IJ series shotguns are the best, one of the best shotguns which I am having, and they have not disappointed me in any sort of hunt or sport shooting. The autoloader shotgun, which is also unique in its category, and like the other semi-automatic shotgun, it works on the principle of the gas operation, gas driven piston and the bolt mechanism. So also it makes it very reliable shotgun with a very few and minor issues which the user may face. Uh, as far as the usability of these shotgun, if you can select any shotgun, it will perform to the best of its abilities. Like this sporting shotgun, though it's come with the ported barrel, but it can be used for a variety of shooting. The IJ series, it is a fixed choke shotgun with the lower barrel setting is modified and the upper barrel its setting is in the full choke category, but still its pattern is very much comparable. Rather, if I can say, it is better than the modern shotguns of the Baikal, so I may not be wrong. Once again, viewers, thank you very much for listening to this video.